Welcome to Namita's Delightful Dishes. Today we are baking a hometown favorite bakery style coconut cookies, straight from Veerbhadreshwara Bakery in Somwarpet, Coorg. I'm incredibly grateful to Gyanesh for sharing his secret recipe with me, but also allowing me to share it with you all. Let's get started on this delicious adventure together. We have got 250 gram of Crisco, 100 gram of vanilla custard powder, 100 gram of milk powder, 100 gram of lightly roasted poppy seeds, 1 egg, 250 gram of powdered sugar, 250 gram of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and the star ingredient 250 gram of dry shredded coconut. First, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Grab your electric mixer and a large bowl. Let's start with 250 gram of Crisco. Beat it until it is super smooth. Around 2 minutes should do the trick. Next, gradually add in 250 gram of powdered sugar and keep mixing until it looks fluffy and fully blended. A quick note, if you prefer to use butter, you are welcome to make that swap. It really comes down to your personal preference. However, for this recipe, we are sticking with shortening. Next, crack in 1 large egg and give it a good mix for another 2 to 3 minutes until it is light and creamy. Now it's a flavor time. Add in teaspoon of cardamom powder, 100 gram of vanilla custard powder and 100 gram of milk powder. Beat everything well and remember to scrape down the bowl to get it all mixed in. Now slow down the mixer and gently add in 250 gram of all-purpose flour. Mix it just enough until it's combined. We don't want to overdo it. Next, add in 250 gram of shredded coconut and roasted poppy seeds. Keep mixing until the dough is soft and ready. Now it's time to shape our cookies. Take a small pieces of dough, roll them into balls, then flatten slightly and place on a baking tray, leaving space between each cookies. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown at the edges. After baking, let the cookies cool on the tray for a little while, then transfer them to a cooling rack to cool down completely. This coconut cookie has awesome taste. It got the right amount of crunch with poppy seeds that you can taste in every bite. The coconut flavor is just amazing. The custard and the milk powder added creaminess while the cardamom brings in a lovely spice. If you like this recipe, try it out. It's very simple. Leave your thoughts in the comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, thanks to Gyanesh for this great recipe. Happy baking and take care until next time.